My art space.
Hello all space family and friend, and welcome to this new tutorial. This is your friend Odai, and today tutorial we will try to draw Kitaro and perspective. I hope you find value in this video, and please do not forget to like it and subscribe. And we use Medibang as a medium. Kitaro is a three-head height characters, so we started by drawing three circles, and that will represent his height, and we continue by drawing the hand because it's drawing by perspective, and so now we start putting more and more detail in our drawing. So if for those who do not know Kitaro is the main character of Kitaro, created in 1916 by Shigeru Mizuki. And if you're interested about Japanese folklore or mythology, about particularly the yokai, I think this series is a great one. So it is indeed highly recommended. And as you can see, I create a new layer, and this layer will be my inking one. So I decrease the opacity of my rough sketch layer to be able to draw in the inking without any problem. So now I am just putting more detail for the costume, trying to draw the end and so on. And I think, yeah, and once we finish that inking part, we will now just jump to the coloring, started by the solid black first. Yeah, just fill all the part that need to be darker, and once I finish with the darker color, I will switch with the gray. So as you can see, the drink starts already looking pretty good. And I think this is all for this video today. So if you like it, please give a thumbs up, and if you want more about the same kind, please let me know in the comment below, and I will be glad to come back to you with more video about how to draw characters. And yeah, this is it for this video, and thank you again for watching, and please do not forget to like and subscribe. See you for next time.